In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export sales register on Zoho. If you need a clean record of what you've sold and collected, we'll walk through exporting your paid invoices from Zoho books so you can analyze them in a spreadsheet, share them with your accountant, or upload them to another system. We'll keep it simple and precise, and by the end, you'll have a downloadable file you can use right away. Start on the Zoho Books homepage. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, and let the dashboard load completely so all menus are available. From the left navigation, open the Sales section. This is where all revenue-related items live, including quotes, orders, and invoices. Next, go into Invoices. This takes you to the full list of your invoices with their statuses. At the top of this list, open the filter that usually reads All Invoices. We're interested in the sales you've actually collected, so choose the Paid filter. Focusing on paid invoices ensures the export reflects realized revenue rather than just issued bills, which is what most teams mean by a sales register. With the list now limited to paid invoices, look to the top right of the page for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Actions. Click that to reveal additional options and choose Export. Then select Export Invoices. This opens the Export Settings panel where you'll define exactly what goes into your file. In the Module field, confirm it's set to Invoices. If it shows anything else, change it back to Invoices so the export captures the data you're viewing. Next, check the status setting and make sure it's paid. Keeping the status aligned here prevents mixing in drafts, voids, or unpaid items. Choose your date range. Pick the window that matches the period you're reporting on. This month, last quarter, your fiscal year, or a custom range. If you're reconciling with bank activity or a management report, use the same start and end dates here so your totals line up. Take a second to double check the dates. It's the easiest place to make a mistake. Now select the export file format. Choose CSV. CSV files open smoothly in Excel, Google Sheets, and most analytics tools, and they preserve the column structure that makes sorting and filtering straightforward. If you routinely combine this data with other reports, CSV is the most flexible choice. You'll also see an option for a file protection password. This is optional. If you plan to send the file externally or store it in a shared location, adding a password can help keep sensitive sales data secure. Use something memorable to your team policy and share it through a secure channel if needed. If the file is staying internal, you can leave this blank. When everything looks correct, module set to invoices, status set to paid, the date range selected, and CSV chosen, go ahead and click Export. Zoho Books will prepare the file. For small date ranges, the download typically starts right away. For larger periods, it may take a moment, and you might see a notification when it's ready. Save the file to a clear location on your computer so you can find it later. That's the entire process from start to finish. By filtering to paid and exporting as a CSV, you've created a practical sales register you can sum by customer, product, or period, and align with your accounting records. If you repeat this regularly, using consistent date ranges and file names will make comparisons much faster. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to export your sales register in Zoho Books anytime.